dito pala tayo dadaan guys. So ano, madali dito. Malapit na tayo sa Alagang. So yun mga ka-Trofart. Kuha ni mga ka-Trofart, dito na muli ako sa malapit sa Paranaque, Sukat. Nag-ayos na ako dahil wala yung battery. So check natin kung may audio rin. At yun, gano'n tayo ng Google Map. At yun, diretso na tayo ulit. So yun nga, ito, kita nyo. Yan, papunta akong Paranaque na ngayon. Let's go guys.
Gave you 10 a week ago. You told me that you got me when your check came home. I've been waiting patiently cause you my homie bro, but times is getting hard so I'ma need to see that cheddar though. You ain't been picking up, you finding escapes. I might have to white you out just like you Colgate. You been ducking at the trip thinking that you safe, but little do you know I'm posted right up in your driveway. I'ma beat you up, I'ma tear you down, I'ma turn your little smile into a big ol' frown. Cause evidently you don't wanna send a message now, and you holding to my money like you Oscar proud. I'ma find you, and I'ma get you. I'ma stick into your head just like I'm Cantu. It's a couple things in life I'll make amends to, but owing me some money, hell no, this a no can do. 17. Yeah. Yeah.
So mga ka-Trofart, nandito na tayo sa bahay ng kapatid.